How to fix keyboard lag on iPhone after iOS 27 update. First, restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone will fix this issue automatically. If the issue remains, then open Settings. Here tap on General. Now tap on Software Update and update your iPhone software. Now go back. Scroll down. Here tap on Keyboard. Now tap on Keyboards. Here delete the keyboard that is not working. After deleting, add it again. After this, go back. Scroll down. Here you will see an option predictive text. Turn it off. After this, go back. Scroll down. Here tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Here click on reset keyboard dictionary. Enter your iPhone passcode. Now reset it. After resetting, go back. Restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. So this is the video guys. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.